What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the rattle in your speaker, possibly in your JL Wrangler. So first thing we're going to do, you're going to need an Allen. It's going to be a 5 mil. So you got 4 bolts here, you got 2 here and then 2 more here. So we're just going to loosen these guys up. All right, so now we got all the screws out, we can just lift it down here. All right, so what you're going to want to check is you're going to need a T20 Torx and a T27 Torx. So the T27 is going to be these guys here. So I don't know why, but these seem to kind of loosen themselves. So you're going to want to make sure that you get these tight. So on this one, this speaker was almost completely out and the rattling was this actually. So I wouldn't use a socket end, or I wouldn't use a wrench end. I would just get an extension and just hand tighten these. You could use a socket, but you run the risk of stripping this out. This is all plastic, so I wouldn't go too crazy with it. So that's the T27 is the, looks like maybe a sub port, and then the T20 is for the rest of it. So it looks like maybe a tweeter here. There's 2 here, and then this one's got 3. 1 there, 1 here, and then 1 there. So anyway, that was the issue on this Jeep, was the speaker was just completely out, and when it was, you know, maybe the bass, whatever, was actually making this vibrate against the plastic here. So another thing that you can do is you can see in between the speaker and the roll bar, we added some, this is like, you could add any type of foam, carpet strips for the bottom of like furniture. So you could do that, and we ran this all the way along here and in between. So if your speaker's still rattling after this, I would try that next, and that's probably going to be your best bet. So just pop it back up here, 4 screws. Don't over tighten these, just like that, and there you go. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video you guys found helpful. Hopefully it helped you fix your annoying speaker rattle, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.